Hey guys, it's me Destiny, and by now you should probably be really tired of seeing my face, so I put on a new wig to soften the blow. I wanted to just make this video really quick because I got a message from a subscriber and they wanted to know how would I do a nude lip. Basically, I do a nude lip as such. Something dramatic going on with my eyes, be it a cat eye, a smoky eye, or a big crazy pair of eyelashes and a cut crease. Something has to balance out the nudeness of my lips. So I definitely do something crazy with my eyes. It's not the craziest of looks, but it's pretty cute. I use Gilt Boots number 7 eyeliner, liquid waterproof eyeliner, and a black eyeliner. I winged it out, and on top I did the gold, and on the bottom I did the same in reverse. I have black pencil in my waterline, and I cut the crease with a contour color from my Makeup Forever palette in number 4. I'm trying to make this a really quick video because it's not a tutorial, and I don't want to weigh you guys down with a whole bunch of nothingness. On my face, I have Makeup Forever. I have Maybelline Super Stay in Cocoa, and I cut my cheeks. I have a little bit of a highlight underneath my eyebrows, but nothing serious. I have a mascara. I was going to put on some fake eyelashes, but when I was doing the eyeliner, I got my lashes all covered in liquid eyeliner. It's not the best. On my lips, I have Revlon Craving Cocoa. This is actually Heather Shimmer from Rimmel. And this is Revlon Craving Cocoa. Really, really pretty colors. So that's pretty much how I would do a nude lip. I'm going to do a few more videos with liner and nude lips. If you want me to do a tutorial on this look, just let me know and I'll definitely do it. Again, I didn't do it because it's really, really simple and kind of self-explanatory, but I will. If you want me to, just let me know. Okay guys, so that is it for now. I wanted to keep this video super short and to the point, so I hope it was. As always, comment, rate, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!